Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez. I'm a photographer in New York City, and today guys I want to give you a tip that a lot of photographers, they don't talk about this, but I think it's wonderful for me to give you this tip. It's like a little secret. You guys can do this the day of the wedding. Okay, this is from all my wedding photographers out there. You guys can do is give the photos to the couple. All these cameras like the Sony a7 III, the Canon, the Nikon, all these cameras, they have Wi-Fi. What you can do is the day of the wedding, at the dinner time, you can send the photos to the couple. How? You send the photos to your phone, you retouch the photos on your phone, and you send it to them the same night during the wedding day. It's gonna help you a lot, guys. It's gonna help you to put your business to another different level. People's gonna talk about you, people's gonna recommend you more, and people's gonna be like, oh no, you need to hire this photographer. This photographer sent me the picture the same day of the wedding. You know how much it's gonna help you? It's gonna help you a lot. So the more you do this, the more it's gonna be great for your business. People's gonna recommend you more, people's gonna talk about you more, and it's the best thing you could do. Lightroom, they have app for phone. All you gotta do is just install the Lightroom in the phone, you retouch the photos in the phone. Everybody has this, right? Everybody has a cell phone. You need to add like a kind of like a guest the day of the wedding, because you have to be fast as the guests. All the guests are taking pictures with the phones, so you see all the guests going like this. They look like paparazzi taking pictures of everybody. They're gonna be putting those pictures on social media. You need to do the same thing. You need to send the pictures to the couple, so the couple can post it the day of the wedding at the dinner time, and they tag you. They promote you on their page. So that's a way to market yourself. It's real simple. You just gotta set the pictures to your phone. I mean, I don't think why not to do that. I think it's a great opportunity for you to market yourself faster and get more clients like that. Like a lot of weddings, in every single weddings, I would say in every single wedding, there's always somebody there that is gonna need a photographer, and they're gonna hire you because people talk. You know, when people talk, you make money. That's a way. That's a way this business works. People recommend you. Like a lot of my clients is because people recommend me. Oh, who did the photo for you? Oh, Clemente did the photo for me. I work fast. I give the photos fast to the clients. I don't take forever to give the photos to the clients. That's the worst thing you could do. Take forever to give the photos to your clients. A lot of photographers sometimes they take 6 months, a year to get the photos to your clients. That's the worst thing you guys can do. Get the photos as soon as possible you can, so people can talk about you. You want people talking good about you. You don't want people talking bad about you. Guys, if you have any questions about photography, I just wanted to do this video for you. It's not a long video, it's something short that I just wanted to put out there for you guys. Use your phone, use your camera for your advantage. Okay, so if you have any questions, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, and see you in the next video. Keep rocking those cameras, guys. Make money. All right, don't be a broke photographer. Make money. See you in the next one.